What if I told you there's an AI that can see molecules that don't exist yet? Not predict them, see them, like a photographer taking pictures of something that hasn't been built. In May 2024, Google DeepMind released AlphaFold 3, and it's not just an upgrade, it's the difference between reading a recipe and watching a chef cook in real time. This is the story of how we went from spending $100,000 in years to understand a single protein, to doing it in minutes, and why some scientists are calling this the most important AI breakthrough since ChatGPT. But before we dive in, let me explain why this matters to you, even if you've never thought about molecules in your life. Every drug you've ever taken, every vaccine, every treatment that saved someone you love, they all started with one fundamental question. What shape is this molecule, and what does it connect to? Right now, the drug discovery process takes 10 to 15 years. It costs between $2 and $3 billion per approved drug. And here's the brutal part. 90% of drugs that enter clinical trials fail. 90%. Imagine spending a decade and billions of dollars and failing 9 times out of 10. Why is it so hard? Because the human body is essentially a city of molecular machines, and we've been trying to understand that city by looking at blurry photographs taken through a foggy window. Let me give you an analogy that'll make this click. Imagine you're given a box of Lego pieces, but here's the twist. You don't get instructions. You don't even know what you're supposed to build, and the pieces are so small you can't see them. You can only feel the final shape after it's assembled. That's what scientists have been doing for decades, trying to figure out how proteins fold into their final shapes without being able to watch the folding happen. The traditional method? X-ray crystallography. You literally have to convince a protein to form a crystal, which many proteins refuse to do, then blast it with X-rays and interpret the scatter pattern. Months of work, sometimes years, $100,000 minimum for one structure, and proteins are just the beginning. The real magic happens when proteins interact with DNA, with RNA, with drug molecules, with each other. Think of it like this. Knowing the shape of a key is useful, but what you really need to know is whether that key fits this specific lock. That's drug discovery, finding the right key for the right lock. In 2021, AlphaFold 2 solved the protein folding problem. It could predict the shape of individual proteins with stunning accuracy. Scientists called it revolutionary. It mapped over 200 million protein structures, nearly every known protein sequence on Earth. The achievement was so groundbreaking that in October 2024, Demis Hassabis and John Jumper won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for it. But here's the limitation everyone talked about. AlphaFold 2 could only see proteins in isolation. It was like having a complete map of every building in a city, but no idea how the roads connect them. You knew the shape of the lock, you knew the shape of the key, but you couldn't predict whether they'd actually fit together. Enter AlphaFold 3, and this is where it gets mind-bending. AlphaFold 3 doesn't work like its predecessor. It uses something called diffusion architecture, the same technology behind image generators like DALL-E. You know how those AI image generators start with static noise and gradually refine it into a clear picture? AlphaFold 3 does the same thing with atoms. It starts with a cloud of random atomic positions. Then step by step, it refines that noise into the precise 3D structure of how molecules will interact. Not how they might interact, how they will interact. And unlike AlphaFold 2, it doesn't just predict single proteins. It predicts how proteins interact with other proteins, how proteins grab onto DNA, how they bind to RNA, and most importantly for drug discovery, how they interact with small molecules. Drugs. The results? 50% or greater improvement in predicting protein-ligand interactions compared to the previous best methods. For protein-nucleic acid interactions, that's protein meeting DNA or RNA, 76% improvement. And speed? Minutes, not months. Minutes. Okay, stop right there. Let me show you why this actually matters by walking through a hypothetical scenario. Let's call it From DNA to Drug, powered by AlphaFold 3. Imagine scientists discover a gene mutation linked to a devastating disease. Let's say a rare form of cancer. Step 1. That mutated gene produces a mutated protein. In the past, figuring out what that protein looks like would take months or years. Now, AlphaFold 3 predicts its structure in minutes. Step 2. That protein interacts with other proteins in the cell to cause damage. AlphaFold 3 predicts those interactions. Now we can see the entire network of molecular conversations that lead to cancer. Step 3. Scientists want to design a drug that blocks the harmful interaction. They need a molecule that fits precisely into a specific pocket on that protein, like finding a key for a lock. AlphaFold 3 can predict how thousands of potential drug molecules would fit. Which ones bind tightly? Which ones have the right shape? Which ones might actually work? Step 4. The best candidates go to testing. But here's the game changer. We've already eliminated the molecules that wouldn't work. We're not fumbling in the dark anymore. This doesn't guarantee success. Biology is still messy, but we've potentially shaved years off the discovery process, saved billions of dollars, and most importantly, gotten treatments to patients faster. That's the promise. Now, let's talk about something most people overlook. AlphaFold 3 can predict antibody-antigen interactions. Antibodies are your immune system's precision weapons. They recognize specific targets, antigens on viruses, bacteria, or cancer cells. Designing better antibodies means better immunotherapies, better vaccines, potentially custom-designed treatments for individual patients. The industry is betting big. In January 2024, Isomorphic Labs, DeepMind's drug discovery spin-off, signed deals worth up to $3 billion with Eli Lilly and Novartis. $3 billion. That's not hype money. That's we believe this will fundamentally change our industry money. But, and there's always a but, not everyone is celebrating. Remember how I said AlphaFold 2 released its full model weights to the public? Anyone could download it, study it, improve it. AlphaFold 3? Initially, they didn't release the full weights. The AlphaFold 3 server is free for non-commercial research. But the full model? Kept behind closed doors. Some scientists worry this represents a shift from open science to controlled technology. Is it about safety? About commercial advantage? About controlling powerful technology? The debate is ongoing. But here's what's undeniable. We are witnessing a fundamental transformation in how humans understand the molecular world. For the first time in history, we can predict the 3D dance of atoms that creates life itself. This isn't science fiction. It's not coming soon. It's here, working, being used by major pharmaceutical companies right now. Every disease that has resisted treatment because we couldn't understand its molecular mechanisms, every patient waiting for a drug that doesn't exist yet, every rare disease that's been ignored because it's not profitable enough to study, AlphaFold 3 doesn't automatically solve these problems, but it removes one of the biggest barriers: time and understanding. We started this video with a single protein floating in darkness. Now imagine seeing not just that protein, but everything it touches, everything it affects, the entire molecular conversation that creates health or disease. That's what AlphaFold 3 offers. Not just snapshots of individual molecules, but the complete picture of how life's machinery works together. If this blew your mind, you're going to want to understand what's coming next, because AlphaFold 3 is just the beginning. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be covering the latest breakthroughs as they happen. And if you want to understand how AI is revolutionizing other areas of science, check out this video next. It's about how machine learning is decoding brain signals and why some researchers think we'll have working brain-computer interfaces within the decade. I'll see you in the next one.